Friends, my name is Arav and I am back with another fun project at MIT App Inventor. So today we are going to make a ball bounce game. Yes, you would have heard this name many a times, ball bounce game. Ball bounce game is a game in which you can create a ball and you can make it move on the screen. So when you make it move on the screen, what it does actually is it when it hits the edge of the screen, it bounces back and goes to the opposite direction. So it's kind of reflection you can learn from. And here we are going to make ball bounce game exactly like that. So let's start. First, we have to open MIT App Inventor. So you can search appinventor.mit.edu and click enter. You will be redirected to the home page. Then you'll have to click create apps as usual. I have already logged into my account, so it will be this page. And my last project is Talk to Me. If you don't know my project, then you can go to my channel and check all my videos. Now, we will go to my projects and my Talk to Me is here. We will start a new project and name it as Ball Bounce. So let's rename it. Whenever you keep a name in the space in the whenever you keep a space in the name, the MIT App Inventor always replaces that space with an underscore. So I kept a space in ball and bounce. Between them, I kept a space. When I click OK, there's an underscore instead of the space. Now let's start. Now we have to drag and drop the canvas. Whenever you have to move a object, you have to drag and drop a canvas. So we'll go to the drawing and animation and drag and drop a canvas. And here we will set canvas height to fill parent so that it can cover the entire X, and then we'll set the width to fill parent so that it can cover the entire Y. Now, the third step is drag and drop a ball sprite on the canvas. So we'll drag and drop the ball sprite, and this is the ball. Now we have dragged it on the canvas so it can move. This ball is very small, so we are going to increase the radius to 15. However, you can keep your own radius also according to your needs. I'm keeping it 15. Then you can even change other properties like the color, and you can change the color, or you can change this visible, but this is not preferable. And you can change the XY position. So when you move it, the X position and Y position change. And if you want to change the Z position, let's see what happens. Nothing happens. So you can keep it normal default one. Now we have designed a front end. Now let's go to the blocks part. In a blocks part, we have to code such that the ball can flung wherever it wants to. So we'll go to when ball1 dot flung. We have this block and we'll drag it out. Then we'll go to this and we'll set ball one speed to dash. So here I have set ball one dot speed to dash, and I have set ball one dot heading. So here it is to dash. I'll tell you a trick. If you don't want to find blocks, you can just take this block, duplicate it, and put it back. Now, here I needed ball 1 dot speed, and here I need ball 1 dot heading. So you can just choose heading from this drop down, and your block is ready. So your time can be saved instead of searching in this whole list. Next, you have to hover over the speed and you get two blocks. You have to grab the get speed block and put it in speed, and for heading, you have to get heading and put it over here. So now this is ready. Next, when the ball reaches the edge, we have to code it that it bounces. So when ball 1 dot edge reached. Next, we will call ball 1 dot bounce so that the ball can bounce. Call ball1 dot bounce edge. Now we don't want to bounce it in the direction north. So we'll remove this direction north and we'll put it as get edge. So it will bounce towards the opposite side. Now what we can do is the app is ready now. So let's test it. Hello friends, I am back and let's test the ball bounce app. So let's go to MIT app Inventor and let's open it. Now we have to connect our AI companion. So let's scan the QR code. Now, after scanning this QR code on your laptop, the loading progress bar will come. After the loading, this will come. Now you have to drag the ball and it will move. The ball is moving and it's bouncing on its own. Now you can upgrade the game more according to your preferences. Like you can keep a rectangular box below the screen, and then if the ball touches the rectangular box, you get 1 point, and if it touches the below the screen, the edge, the down, the down edge of the screen, then it's a minus point. So in that way you can create a game. Now if you want to stop it, there's no code to stop it, but you can change its direction. Thank you.